Sunday. I fucking hate my life. If only things would change. If God exists, I wish He would give me everything I've ever wanted. Rich God. Ask for anything? What the fuck? Something fresh. Whatever. A lemon? Really? Monday. Ask away, peasant.
What's the capital of Germany?
G.
Why is the sky blue and space is black?
Diversity.
How do I know if my friends are talking about me behind my back?
Turn your head around. What the hell?
How do I avoid teen pregnancy in every single way possible?
Stay away from pregnant teenagers. Tuesday. I wish for more money. I wish for a fan. Wednesday. One day, the rich God stopped granting me wishes. Thursday. Friday. I got so used to depending on it. The God of fridge. But maybe I don't need it. I almost forgot. Everything I need is right in front of me. No point in wishing for more. Because we would just want more. Everybody goes on with their lives. And so do I.